Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day. We're at Blueberry Ridge, one of the finest over 55 communities anywhere in South Jersey, and we're in Hammonton. This is 31 Leah Court, and I'm gonna walk and talk and I'm gonna show you all about the fine attributes of this property. Let's check it out. This is a Pulte construction. It was built back in 2005, circa 2005. And this Cape May 2 model has the 9-foot ceilings on the first floor. It's got the gorgeous crown moldings. You can see the dining room, low windows, and who doesn't want to have a dining room? There's a total of 2,368 square feet in the home, and there's all kinds of closets and storage galore here. We're going to show you that momentarily. Got a big eat-in kitchen if you wanted to use it that way. You have the 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances, everything in good order here, not to mention a pantry. You can see that it opens up to the great room. We'll get to that momentarily. Let's head this way. Let me show you all of the great stuff here. You have a washer and dryer on the first floor. All of the switches are lower, so they're very, very helpful if you are coming of age, because it is an over 55. And this is the 2-car garage. And see, it's all nice and neat, big. You have your Rainbird irrigation system here. So this controls all the water around your house, so you have total control. And this is a 200 amp electrical box. Real nice, got plenty of power, more than you'll ever need. So this property has 3 beds and 3 full baths. And there's 2 beds down, 1 bed up. And I'm gonna show you the first one, which is the smaller one right now. It's got its own bathroom with bathtub, and you have access, immediate access to the bedroom, and you can walk right in. Everything's good that way. And check this out. Nice walk-in closet. Both sides, hang your stuff up, all good. So you have the easy access. It's all connected. Got your full bathroom, nice and neat, everything good. Come this way with me. So what's so great about this house? Check out the great room. These ceilings are approximately 20 feet tall, and you have this gorgeous space. Put your big screen TV. You have the double-sided glass, natural gas fireplace, real nice. You got these windows that are low, and the windows go all the way up, which the Cape May 2 is known for. This is a really nice area. Use it as you want. Sitting area, computer room, you name it, you got it. It's all window clad. You have the morning sun coming in, outstanding. And then it opens to the backyard. Got a concrete patio, and you see how far away you are from the other neighbors. So it's really, really nice. And what makes this model a standout, its location, it doesn't back up to the major roads that are in proximity. It's really, really quiet section of town here. I'm going to show you the master bedroom right now. So this room is huge. It's kind of like a hotel setup. More low windows, big expanse of space here. Easily puts a king bed and 2 nightstands. Walking into your master bath, huge soaking tub in the corner. Got your vanity, double here, either side. Water closet. And you have your glass surround, nice tile work, all good. And to top it off, we have this big walk-in closet. You'd be hard pressed to fill this one up. And there's more. Let's check out the upstairs. So this is perfect for your guests, family members that want to stay over, the weekend visitors. It's got its own bullpen area to my immediate right. Easily accommodates a sectional couch. And you have this glorious lookout to the first floor. Check out how nice this is. Look at that view. This is really a beautiful model, the Cape May 2. In here we have your utilities, your natural gas furnace, central air, hot water heater. And you can see it's built by Pulte. You can see right there, that's the insignia on it. You got a coat closet here, and then you have massive storage. So no shortage of places to put your stuff. And I know you got stuff, you could put it right here. Bedroom number 3. So nice size, really luxurious, and you have your own full bath. You have a linen closet to the right. Everything's gleaming bright white. Nice. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you know anybody that wants one of the best over 55 communities anywhere in South Jersey, Blueberry Ridge, share this property with them. And if you really, really love the content, please subscribe. And then you can see all the new content as we list brand new properties here in South Jersey. So we have 3 beds, 3 full baths, 2,368 square feet. Guess what? This unit used to be the model home. So this was the one that started it all off here at Blueberry Ridge. And it's got some really special features because it was the model. It's wired for sound. It has speakers all over the place in the ceiling. So that's something that is likely useful to the new owner. It's got the front porch, it's got the back patio. You have all of these areas for freedom of movement, and it just set up really, really well for your lifestyle if you're looking to downsize from that much, much bigger home. So make your appointment today. Check this property out on thinkw.com. It has all of the information, details on what this property is. The association fees are low, $165 a month. It's got a clubhouse, and they take care of the normal amenities, the common grounds, etc. You take care of the interior and the exterior of your home. So don't miss out on this one. It's not going to last. These are rare items, rarely come up here in Hammonton. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.